What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on SUI because this coin right now is forming really interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. If you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. You can see that we are currently having here this high, and if I will switch to a daily time frame, you can see that above this area we don't have here that much liquidity. So once there is a breakout with a support confirmation, this will be actually a first interesting opportunity for a potential long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So as I said, I want to see a breakout with a support confirmation. Entry will be somewhere slightly above this, and stop loss you should place, for example, let's say somewhere around this area. So let's say you can have around like 3 to 4% stop loss, because we wanna aim here for a good risk reward ratio. With this trade, you want to take your last take profit targets slightly under $3 mark, because this will be an important psychological resistance. And as I showed you on a daily time frame, the current all-time high is on the level 2.17, and once there is a breakout and then support confirmation, I'm expecting we are gonna break this area, and then we will be in a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any important liquidity. Of course, with a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under the current all-time high, then for example under 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, and then you can save something to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 14, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 10, 9, something like that, which is in my opinion really good for a trade on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, me personally, this is the main setup that I'm currently watching. And as I said, you can trade this move on the 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour, or a daily time frame. But don't forget that on a 12-hour chart we have this bearish order block. So that's the main reason why I want to take some of the profits above this bearish order block, because if we are gonna take a liquidity under after a support confirmation in this area, then the market can reverse back down. So I suggest to take some of the profits above, then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss, and then you can keep the rest of the position to go up. Another interesting setup that you can take will be valid in case of a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation under this bullish order block on the 1 hour chart. This bullish order block is between levels 1.906 and 1.873, and if there will be that breakdown with a liquidity grab, you can open here a long trade. So top loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target you can again place under $3 mark, which will give you even better risk reward ratio. And in this trade you are looking for risk reward ratio around 21. Of course, we don't know how big the potential stop loss will be. Of course, if there will be, for example, something like this, then you definitely not gonna place your stop loss under these bullish order blocks, because then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be good. So you want to speculate with this trade on high risk reward ratio, because this trade will be really risky. But with a trade like this, even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 14, 15, something like that, which is another really insane setup. If we take a look on a higher time frame, you can see that for the past couple of days this coin is pumping absolutely like crazy. And if the condition that I talked about in this video will be met, then I'm expecting that this coin will pump even more. So right now I am super bullish. Of course, I'm not opening any of my long positions right now, because as I said, there are certain conditions that need to be met. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing those setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But on a daily time frame, there are no other interesting setups that I'm currently watching. The main setup is that one that I showed you on the 1 hour chart, which will be after a breakdown, then a liquidity grab, then a support confirmation, or breakout and then support confirmation of this current high. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video. If you want to know about my videos as soon as possible, then I recommend you to consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. See ya.